Hey students, it's Brother MacArthur here. Just want to give you a little overview for week 3. First of all, congratulations, you guys are off to a great start. Thank you for watching that 11-minute video. It'll be a huge help to you because the rest of the semester is just like the format that you just did on week 2. The rest, it's exactly like that. You get on, you do your studies, then you post your initial post by Wednesday, 11 p.m. Then you come back to the group discussion board and you post your comments to 2 other people, and then you put in your reflection and synthesis paper. Which, great job! Don't forget the word counts. I know that sounds crazy, but it's important. So don't forget them when you get docked. And then don't forget to do the weekly report. And that's it every week. So you've got this stuff right here. So we're on lesson 3, article of faith number 2 now. And you do the introduction, the study assignment, group initial insight, like we just said, that you come back through Thursday through Friday. You do these 3 things right here, and then you're done. That's it. So you're going to find here as you settle into this routine that this course is really designed to help you study the doctrine and then teach one another. And so please and thank you for taking that serious. It is huge. It'll have the biggest impact on your semester and what you learn. To really study, and then you pose a question to your group and then answer each other's. Have a discussion. That's going to be the greatest thing that helps you. And so just wanted to point out one thing as you study the fall in the agency. I love this right here. The fall has a twofold direction, downward yet forward. It's sad because a lot of the Christian world has a whole different view of Adam and Eve than we do. And we praise them for what they did and because of what it does for us. The other thing you're going to study this week is personal accountability. Another thing that often the world wants to shy away from, but this right here, even though we have agency and we're free to choose, but we're not free to choose the consequences of our actions. We are living in a world that's becoming more and more where, hey, I can do whatever I want because it feels good to me and it's just the way it is. Moral relativism is the term, but that's not true. There is absolute truth, and because of absolute truth, there are consequences for the choices. Sure, you have the freedom to do and to choose whatever you like, but you do not, and I don't, have the freedom to choose our consequences of our actions. Anyway, so you're going to love studying this week. Post your comments. I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, let me know. But students, great job. Keep it up.